Everybody's always looking for a good deal this time of year, and I've got the top 3 Delta kitchen faucets to look for on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Hey, real quick, I wanted to film a quick disclaimer. Parts of this video show me walking around a crowded space with a bunch of other people, without a mask, getting well within 6 feet, shaking hands, things like that. Just so you're aware, all of this was filmed pre-COVID, so you can rest easy, and I hope you enjoy the show. Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media. For the last 16 years, I've helped people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. It is my mission in life to help people eliminate regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and ring that bell for notifications so you never miss an episode. When I'm looking for a kitchen faucet, I look for a few key features, and Delta has each and every one. Feature number 1, I look for a durable cartridge. The cartridge is the part inside the handle that turns the faucet on and off, hot and cold. Delta has a wonderful process called Diamond Seal technology, and Diamond Seal technology just means that their cartridges, while they are ceramic disc, they are coated in a diamond-like coating that increases its resistance to wear and tear. Feature number 2 is the braided hose, as opposed to like a linkage type, is going to make that hose last a lot longer. The links on these older types tend to separate over time, and that means you have to replace the hose sooner. Another really important feature that I always look for is the magnet lock, or some other type of a catch that's going to hold that spray head in place. Now, Delta sent me a big list of products that are on promotion this weekend, but 3 really stood out. The first of which is the Pivotal Kitchen Faucet, which normally has a list price retail of anywhere from $7.99 to $1,011, depending on the finish. The promotional advertised price for this faucet ranges from $566.30 to $447.89, again, depending on finish. Remember, chrome is always going to be your least expensive finish, and finishes like stainless or black stainless are going to be towards the top. A lot of your faucets are going to start out chrome and get plated other finishes. A very cool and uncommon square design, perfect for a really cool modern look. Now, this particular faucet actually does have the Touch 2.0 technology. In other words, you leave the faucet in the on position, you tap it on, you tap it off. A couple of important details. Remember, Delta's Touch 2.0 technology actually does know the difference between a grab and a touch, which means when you're cleaning the faucet and you grab the spout to move it over, it will not turn on. It will only turn on when you tap it anywhere on the metal, on the handle, on the spout, on the body. The next is the Trinsic Pro. Now, the Trinsic Pro is a really cool contemporary industrial look. One of my favorite things about this particular faucet is the fact that while it does look like a pre-rinse style faucet, I actually do like this one better because it also does pull out. For folks who've seen my other videos, you remember I'm not a big fan of pre-rinse style, but this one at least has the added function of a pull-out, so you have a very nice range of motion. This particular faucet is also available with the Touch 2.0 technology. The Trinsic Pro usually retails for anywhere from $776 to $981 respectively, depending on the finish. And right now they have a promotional minimum advertised price this weekend of anywhere from $434.84 to $549.78. Again, big savings here. The last option is the Trinsic, not the Trinsic Pro, the standard Trinsic line, but with the VoiceIQ. For those of you who follow along, you will remember that I did go to KBiz recently and discuss VoiceIQ with the Delta Brizo rep. Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave here with Remodel Media. I'm here at the Delta booth in Las Vegas, Nevada at KBIS, the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show 2020. And we're looking at the first wave, the innovation lab of the Delta Faucet company. So, Mike, what can you tell us about this?
So first wave was built in an effort to test things small, get good feedback from working closely with consumers, and when something works, we scale it up over the Delta side.
Nice.
So you saw the glass rinser, the voice faucet, those started here, and now they're scaled large. So this is our next round of things we're exploring. And then this faucet also utilizes Alexa and Google Home, where you can use voice commands to get those extended reach of commands you might need in the kitchen.
So I could say, Alexa, give me a cup of water.
That's right.
The Trinsic series is a cool, clean, contemporary look. Not a lot of frills. It does have all those features that we talked about before, but it also has VoiceIQ. The Delta Trinsic with VoiceIQ retails for anywhere from $782 to $932, depending on the finish, and is currently on promotion for $438.37 to $522.01, promotional minimum advertised price this weekend. I also have some good news for folks who have purchased the Delta Touch 2.0 in the past and want to upgrade to the VoiceIQ system. Delta is selling a VoiceIQ module that is compatible with their Delta Touch 2.0s that they've sold over the last several years. So if you bought your faucet 2, 3, 4 years ago and you want to add the VoiceIQ option to the Delta Touch 2.0 option, you can. VoiceIQ is that technology that you can hook up to Alexa or Google Home, and you can say, Alexa, ask Delta to pour me 8 ounces of water, which totally eliminates the need for measuring cups. Remember, any of these electronic faucets are battery powered. A DC adapter is available as a separate purchase, but the batteries are standard AA batteries, so you have nothing to worry about. There's no specialty battery that needs to be changed or anything like that. Most of my customers tell me it takes anywhere from 6 months to a year, and they have to change their battery, about that often. But I have had some customers purchase the DC adapter so they can plug it in and not have to worry about changing out batteries. And another important note about the Delta Touch 2.0 and VoiceIQ systems is, even if there is a power outage or something like that in your area, there really isn't going to be a problem because it still works like a regular faucet. You turn it on, you turn it off. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.